Last time you saw these boards, they were over there being stained. I didn't really record much before this. Putting up the inside section of the fence for around the pool, but stacked them last night. They still need to be stained on one edge, which I'm turning up so it's easy to do. It got wet and cold past 2 weeks. Couldn't really do anything. But getting it done. Hopefully I'll be done with this in the next hour and a half. And all I'm doing is using my 4-foot level as a spacer. So pretty much get the bottom board level and then leave the level on top of it. Set the other board on top of the level and screw it in. Put one screw in, one side, the other side, then double check and go from there. Let me get back to it so I can knock it out. Because I have plans to start digging over there, and I'll tell you why in the next video. This is what it looks like so far. This section is obviously shorter than the rest. It's at 65 inches. So what I do is just cut all of them, put the screws in halfway, and then come back, and it makes it easier to put them up. But slowly getting there, almost done. Home stretch, home stretch. Kind of the home stretch. Ta-da! There you go. Sort of. Let me show you why. So we're missing a board down here at the bottom. I'm gonna run around the car and show you why. Right there. It's kind of dark. So the bottom piece I have to notch out to fit in this area. I don't know why this doesn't have a light. But, and then this is a gate area to get onto the deck for the maintenance. Filters, electrical, what have you. But overall, there we go. These rocks will be moved in about 2 weeks and placed with the others over there. Get them out of the way. Car will be moved. That's what it looks like. And I still have boards left over. 5, and there's 2 more sitting over there still to be stained that can complete this area where the oak is given away. So it looks like pretty much. So as you can see, we have moved the trampoline from this area, if you're paying attention to the videos, back up on top. Now, this area here, if you can see where the shovel is, I have a trench. First person to comment what that trench is for, with 2 shares, one to Facebook, one to Instagram with this video. So I say again, 1 share to Facebook, 1 share to Instagram, and comment saying what that trench is for gets a free t-shirt. All right, so you comment on the video, now I give you further instructions to email me to show proof that you shared the video on Instagram and Facebook. Free t-shirt coming your way. Well, let me get over here and get on the light so I can give you guys a better farewell. Trying to beat the sun, it didn't happen, but 1 more rail on that side and it's done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. Hope it was entertaining for you, and feel free to comment and let me know what could be done better, or just let me know, hey, we like what you're doing, keep going. All right, catch you guys in the next video.